channel. My name is Angelique, also known as Nino Marie. If you are new here, wait, pause. Make sure that you are subscribed to my channel. Make sure that you hit that notification bell so that you are informed of every upload. If you are not new here, welcome back, friend, fam, sis, cuz. What's up, cuz? Like, but yes, welcome back, you guys. Today I am going to be taking down my Fauxlocs. My individual crochet Fauxlocs, whatever you want to call them. They have been in for well over a month. I installed these, I believe, what was it? August 17th. And as much as I love these, it is time to come out. First of all, I am tired of the length. I'm proud of myself because I did not think that I would go this long with the length. I had planned on cutting them shorter. Of course, I know where my hair stops, so I was gonna try to cut them like, you know, just shorter than this, but with some length still. But that's beside the point. Today, like I said, where are my scissors? All the way in the bathroom. One second. And I am back and I have my shears. So it's really, really easy. And of course I'm going to start from the back. But I just want to come on camera to show you guys because I always get these questions. So here's the first one. So all I do, oh, where's my bag? My trash bag right here. Get you a trash bag, world. Your trash bag. Oh, and of course you guys see I have a change of location. I recently moved to Fort Worth, Texas. So yeah, I'm not sure if the journey here will be first. I did the journey here, and then I also filmed an empty apartment tour so that you guys can see what's going on and what I did or whatever. But yeah, so stay tuned for that. Yeah, if you guys are interested in how I decorate my apartment, I don't know, we'll see. We'll see. I'm no decorator and I don't know how long it's gonna take, but hey. Anyway, let's go. So all you do is, let me take this. I'm going to basically unravel it the opposite way, and then I take, see that there? Take my fingers through, and this is the hair that is wrapped around, of course, because my hair is in a twisty, so I know for sure I'm not cutting my hair. Play with it a little bit to see where it is going to show your hair, which there is my real hair right here, and I'm just pulling it out. So there is my real hair. And then what I'm going to do is just remove the lock, put that in the trash, and pull this out. There you go. Your hair is protected and you didn't cut it off. So I will let you guys watch me do this while I watch this movie. Okay, y'all, so y'all see how I just pulled out my real hair and then I cut the lock? what I did was I twisted the lock at the root at the opposite angle, in the opposite direction, and I pulled my real hair out first, and then I snipped the lock off. It was so much easier doing it this way, and I did it the remainder of the time. So you guys may want to do it this way instead of the first way I just showed y'all. Okay, you guys, I am finally done. I have removed all of my faux locks. I'm going to do a 360 for you guys. So that you can see. Let's try to do a length check. Yeah, we're about here. Hopefully you guys can see this. Whoop, whoop. Y'all, my neck, my head. Oh, it feels so much lighter. It's like it's not too heavy, but it's it has some weight on it. You can definitely tell the difference. So yeah, I am completely done. I will be taking my twist down and washing my hair, doing a full wash day routine. So you guys stay tuned for that. And I want to thank you guys so very much for watching me take my hair down. I hope that this was helpful to you guys. It's really, really easy to take a loose, and as you can see, my hair has grown tremendously. I don't know if you guys can see. I'll try to zoom in, but it's grown in some spots about an inch to an inch and a half. So yeah, this is how I grow my hair. I keep it put in a protective style, and then once I take my protective style out, I will do a full wash day routine. I am going to definitely dust my ends. Just trim it. Perfect example. I will take about this much off. Boom, and I'll do this to all of my twists, and I'll be able to see which ones I've done because it'll be a blunt cut rather than not. So yeah. Alright, you guys, I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.